Hey guys, it's Lily Bakes here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a very exciting video for you guys, as I'm going to be taking you along with me on my week of probably my busiest week that I've ever had with baking. I have 4 cakes to do, plus a wedding cake, a big tall wedding cake, which I have never made a wedding cake before, so you guys are going to be in for a treat watching it, and hopefully it doesn't fall over. I'm just about to go shopping, so I need to get all the ingredients for the week and then I can start baking. I think today I'm going to bake the cakes. I don't know when I'm going to do the wedding cake, maybe I'll do that tomorrow, but today I'm going to bake most of the cakes, then I can freeze them and then I can start decorating them maybe on Thursday. So you have to stay tuned to the end of the video to see how all the cakes turn out. Before we get started with the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Let's go. I just got back from the shops and I'm going to show you everything that I got because I got a lot of things. And I went with my friend and she was laughing at me because of what I got. So I've got, I think this is 25 butters, this is 20 icing sugars, 12 eggs, and then some caster sugar, one more icing sugar, and some self-raising flour in there as well, and vegetable oil and baking powder. So I got lots of stuff, but these were the things that were embarrassing when I put them in the basket. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to do 4 layers of cake, which will make 2 cakes. First lot of cakes are going in now. It is the next day now and I have got all of the cakes baked. Brooke is there. It's very hot today, so Brooke is sunbathing, but I'm not because I have to bake. So I have 4 of these, no, 5 of these 6-inch cakes, and I have just crumb coated one as that is meant to be picked up later, so I forgot to film, but I'll show you that has been crumb coated. I just needed to get it done. And then today I have baked 3 7-inch, 2 are wrapped up, 1 I need to wrap up, but that is what I've done so far, and I'm going to show you the crumb coated cake now. You guys are now in my fridge, but this is the cake that I crumb coated. I've put jam in it as well. I'm now making my friend Talia's cake. I'm making her Nutella cake, so I've got lots of Nutella in the cake there. I'm just putting on this layer. Talia's cake is ready and crumb coated, and now it's going to go into the fridge.
Do too nice, like don't make him railroad you into like.
The cake is out of the fridge now and it is cooled down, and I have coloured some buttercream black. I'm going to do a little black border sort of thing round the bottom here. Got some gold and silver balls here that go into the cakes, so I'm just going to put some of them into the front here, just alternating between the gold and the black, as it is a gold and black themed cake. This is what it looks like here, and then I've got a 70, which I'm just going to stick in the middle of the cake. Let me just get it right. So like this, I'm going to push it down, and then we've got a few like dads and with love, so I might put them on. I'm just going to see how it looks. Some gold luster dust in here, and I'm going to just paint it around the rims here, so I'll show you what I'm going to do. This is what I've done. I put the dad on the black, and then I put the with love here. I think it looks really cute. What do you guys think? Now I've got Talia's cake, and I have just made the buttercream whiter. I don't know if you can see it in this lighting. I'm going to cover all of this white and I'll be back. This is 100% the silkiest buttercream I have ever made. I've literally just left it to whip for so long on a really low speed, and it's so silky and smooth, but This is how it's looking like right now. This is what the cake looks like. It is very, very smooth. I'm going to put it into the fridge now. I've got a very exciting cake design for this, which I haven't done in ages. Well, actually, I don't even know if I've even done it before. Good morning, guys. Today is day 3 of my busiest week of baking. Today, I need to film a video for Kenwood, so that will be another cake. Very excited to make it. Little hint, it's a trend on TikTok. I've seen a lot recently. I think I need to finish off another one of the cakes that I've already baked. And yesterday I forgot to show you guys the cake I finished off for Talia, but it turned out so cute. So I will show you guys that in a minute, but first I need to get ready to film. So I'm just going to do my hair, my makeup. Guys, are you ready to see Talia's cake? I love it so much, and the glitter that I've just put on it has made it so much better. I'm also going to film a little bit of a setting on my phone that I've just literally found out that you can do, which makes the cake look so much better. Here is the cake. It has got so much glitter on, but I think it is so cute with all the hearts, and the pink colour is so nice. Guys, look at that glitter. Wow. Oh my goodness, can you guys see that? That is incredible. I've somehow lost all the footage of the Jellycat cake, but here's how it turned out. Today is Friday, which means that it is wedding cake day, and I've been putting off the wedding cake, so I want to make it as fresh as I can, as it is for tomorrow, Saturday. So I'm going to bake all the cakes today and do all of it today, which I know is going to be a lot, but I wanted to make sure it was fresh for everyone, because obviously it is a wedding, which means it's very special. It needs to be extra good. So that is today, and I also have to get 2 of my other cakes done. So today is definitely my biggest day out of the whole week, but I'm glad that I had prepared everything and bought everything at the beginning of the week, because then I didn't have to worry about doing that. So first things first is I need to start making the cake layers for the wedding cake, and I also need to get the cake layers that I made the other day out of the freezer, as I put them into the freezer so they were ready for today. All the mixes going today. I've got the new one that Damien gave me, got my pink K-mix, and then the titanium chef here going. All 3 of them are going. They've literally just turned off, so I can get the next thing ready to go in. Now I'm doing the other cakes that I did the other day, and I'm just going to take off the tops of these. Just done these. Then I'm going to crumb coat them. One I'm going to leave crumb coated and finish it tomorrow, and the other one I need to finish today. Here is one stacked. I haven't crumb coated it yet because it's so tall. I don't want it to anything to happen to it, so I'm going to put it in the fridge now, and then let it harden a little bit, let it cool, then crumb coat it. In the meantime, I'm going to do these. I am crumb coating this cake now, and I've just started doing it, but I just wanted it to firm up a little bit before, because it is a tall cake like I've said, so I want to run any risks of it falling over. This is the other cake. I'm about to crumb coat it, so I'll show you when it's done.
Have anything to do with your...
This is what the cakes look like. The bottom tier is going to be lemon curd, the middle tier is going to be biscoff, and the top tier is going to be strawberry jam. So I'm going to stack them all up now. It's time to finally finish off the wedding cakes. So these are actually going to be naked cakes, so I have left the coat to do now until it's fully firm. But I'm going to do it now. I'm also going to put some dowels in, because it needs to be supportive, and because it's so tall, you need to make sure you put dowels in. That is a top tip. If you're doing tall cakes, make sure to use dowels. Good morning everyone, I'm just making a smoothie, so that's what you can hear. But I'm moving this cake onto this board, because I want a bigger board. So you're going to watch me do it. Behind the scenes for you all. Right now I'm sitting on the tabletop. I don't really know what it's called. filming for you guys, trying to get good angles. So I've got this here, trying to get good angles for you guys. Now it's time for the wedding cake. I need to get the middle tier onto the bottom tier. I'm going to put the top tier on when we get there, but I'm going to just do the same thing as I did with the other cake. Alright, let's make sure it's in the middle. There we go. I'm just filling in these little holes. I'm just going to go like that. Yeah, the whole way around so there's no gaps. This is how it is looking. I've gone round all of here so there's no gaps and tried to make it as neat as I can. Let me show you the front. So this will be the front of the cake, and then I just need to put the top tier on when we get there. I need to put it all together now. So here's what it looks like. This doesn't have the bow on yet. We're going to put the bow on when we get there, but it's time to take it. Now it's time for the last cake. I have just done the final coat of it. So this is it. It's a really cute light pink. Then this is the other cake here, which I don't even think I've showed you the whole thing yet, so let me show you. This is it. It's got some disco balls and then Tilly, and up the top a really nice 21 in silver there, and just some silver sprinkles to tie it all in at the top. That is the end of the video, guys. Comment down below what cake was your favourite, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos just like this one. Bye!